Unboxing of Tanna TechBiz Eagle-201 full system with NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano 4GB and 8GB module. Tanna TechBiz Eagle-201 full system designed for NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano 4GB and 8GB module delivers up to 34 TOPS, Sparse, and 17 TOPS, dense, of AI performance, offers up to 80x performance improvement over Jetson Nano, runs advanced AI models, including transformer and robotics workloads. Why choose Eagle-201? Full system solution ready for deployment, simplifies development for next-gen AI and robotics projects, ideal for edge AI with powerful inference capabilities. Technical specifications. M.2 key E. M.2 key M. DC port. DP port. USB ports. Ethernet port. Screws and jumper pin.
Thank you for joining us on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Tanna TechBiz. Together, stay connected.